Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how to add gradient in container, in background, in Elementor, in WordPress, right? So here you can see I'm into the Elementor and I'm editing a page of my website using Elementor, right? And here in the middle of the screen there is a plus icon to add a new container, right? So we are going to click on this to add a new container, and here in the layout section we are going to select the flex box and the direction column flex box we have selected, right? And here to edit this container we are going to click on edit container button just above the container in 6 dots, right? So we have clicked on 6 dots, and in the left side toolbar we have 3 options. The first one is layout, the second one is the style, and the third one is advanced, right? So we are going to the style, and in the style we are into the background, and in the background we are into the normal, and here we are going to select the gradient as background type. So we have selected the gradient. Now it is asking us about the color 1 and color 2, right? So in the color 1 let me add green color from the color palette. So I have simply moved my circle to the green and this circle to the light green shadow. Okay, so like as you can see, in the second color we have simply selected this red kind of color having a hexacode as F2295B, right? So we have added 2 colors as a gradient color, and these colors are getting displayed. So this is how you can simply add gradient in background, in container, in Elementor, in WordPress, right? So here you can also change the location of your gradient. For example, like as you can see in this particular container, green is showing in upper position and red color is showing in downside. So we can simply change the location from the left side toolbar, and as you can see the red color is covering the green color, right? So you can do this, as well as you can change the type to linear or to radial. So we have changed it to radial, and now position center, center left, center right, top center, top left, top right, bottom center, bottom left, bottom right, right? So whatever the position you want of the circle, you can simply select that particular, and you can also increase and decrease the location, right? So again changing my type to the linear now, and here we can simply adjust the angle of the gradient, right? So you can rotate your gradient as well. Okay, so this is how you can simply add gradient in background, in container, in Elementor, in WordPress. Apart from it, if you want to learn more about the Elementor, then I have added my blog link in video description. You can simply visit my blog and read articles related to Elementor. And if you are interested in learning digital marketing in detail, then also I have added my website link in video description. You can simply visit my website, explore our digital marketing course, and you can purchase the course directly from there. Thank you so much.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.